think I'll take y'all inside while I take a door loose. Otherwise, you wouldn't be able to see what I'm doing in here. Now, see, that's this with the wall closed up instead of open like it was. Now, I just pulled my cord out there, which plugs in my lights. I'm going to plug my light back in. One of the other things that's on my list for here is to wire the little garage here, which I will be doing, but not today. I might also want to put me a couple of little braces over on that piece of wall I just made. And actually, if I got some little 2x4 pieces, that might work pretty good for that. Whew, warming me up here.
You inside?
Yes, I am. Huh?
You're all closed off over here.
Yeah, what do you think of that? Want to come on in? Charlie! Here I am, Charlie. I'm over here. Here we are. Tires. Tires are important.
Charlie.
Tires are very important to a doggy. The tires are very important to a doggy.
Yes, they are.
You know, I was just about to weld a piece of something to use as a, a locking bar. And I look up and look at that hole right there. And if that hole was open all the way through, I could stick something right inside of that. That would do the trick really good right there, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Because you would have the benefit of the hole and the extra bracing. See?
Yeah.
See, this stuff here fits inside of this here. If I cut a little piece and stuck it right where I just had that, then I could stick a piece of this. Of course, it'd be shorter, and then I could slide it in and pull it out.
You know what you do with the other one? Kinda? Remember you doing that with
Out, that's the other? It's pretty darn similar, yeah. Yeah, pretty darn similar. Yeah. Yeah, sure enough. So, you're on YouTube. Everybody loves you on YouTube. So, you want to look up and say anything at all to the YouTube audience. Because every time you talk, everybody just, oh, it's trash. I got to see trash. Oh. Everybody loves you, honey baby. I'm just saying. I'm okay with it, too. I ain't jealous.
I don't have a whole lot to say.
Okay. I just thought I'd give you the offer, fame and fortune awaits and all that. Okay. So I'm about to rip that door down and throw it on that trailer.
Huh?
I'm about to pull that door down and throw it on the trailer.
Okay.
So, let's
We'll
find
see
that
where our
stuff.
dog went off to. He likes to disappear.
I think he went that way. I think he went back out the door.
He did go back out the door.
Yeah. I think he did.
There he is.
There he is. I might put a piece of this right here. I think I will. I'll make a mental note to put a piece of that right there. And if I put a piece right here, see, tie those two together like that. I could do it like that, see, where I'd have the two. I don't know if y'all can see what I'm doing, but I can brace these on two different spots if I did it like that. I'm going to go get me a pair of vice grips and put on that to hold one side in place. Then when I bring it back, I'll put vice grips on the other side. Oh, the joy. That'll give me, so when I weld that on there, instead of just one piece, I'll have it welded to two pieces there. Turn y'all off while I go get the vice grips and be right back.